Every month, your business puts money into Facebook ads. You set the budget, you run the campaign, and it works. Leads click. They land in your WhatsApp inbox. The funnel is moving. Your inbox fills up. Hundreds of conversations every month. Real people who saw your ad, who are curious enough to reach out. Each one of these messages costs you money to generate, and the conversation starts well. Amina sees your ad. She messages you. She wants to know the MSc fees. Your team responds immediately. The program is 1.5 million naira. Start with 40,000 to secure the spot. She says she'll check her account. She'll get back to you. She doesn't come back. 1 day, 3 days, 7 days, 14 days. Not just Amina. Every conversation on this screen went silent. 8 out of 10 leads who reached out to you this month disappeared. No explanation. No objection. Just gone. This is the ghost pattern. And it's costing you everything. Here's what that silence actually costs. 223,000 naira in ad spend. 336 leads in the inbox. 1 enrollment. 1. That's a cost per student of over 200,000 naira. But here's what makes it worse. 34 people filled the MSc application form. They were ready. Then they went quiet. At one point, 5 million naira per student. That's 51 million naira. Sitting cold in a WhatsApp inbox. The revenue was already there. In conversations you already paid for. What if you could see exactly where the money went and get it back? This is Revit. It connects every WhatsApp conversation, every Facebook ad click, and every enrollment outcome into one dashboard. 539 conversations, 336 ad leads, 80% ghost rate, 1 enrollment, 51 million naira in cold pipeline. Nothing hidden, everything measurable. For the first time, you can see the full picture of your business. Revit doesn't just count your ghosts, it classifies them. Ghost A, 34 people who submitted the application form and never paid. Ghost B, 164 who were deep in conversation and went quiet. Ghost F, 38 who raised the NYS C question and got no answer they trusted. Each type has a different reason for going silent, and each reason has a specific response that works. This is the follow-up command center. Amina is at the top. Ghost A, 14 days silent, MSc student, worth 1.5 million naira. Revit generates the exact message to send her, personalized to her name, her program, her situation. You send it, she replies, she enrolls. That's 1.5 million naira, recovered from a conversation you thought was dead. This plays out across every ghost in the queue, each one with a script, each script built from what actually works on that specific type of silence. Now look at your ad data. 4 creatives ran this month. Only 1 produced an enrollment. Don't make these fatal mistakes on your MSc. 9 leads, 1 student enrolled, a cost per enrollment of 22,000 naira. The other 3 creatives spent over 200,000 naira and enrolled nobody. Revit shows you this clearly. Scale the fatal mistakes, angle, cut the rest. Stop paying for clicks that don't convert. And when Revit reads your conversations, it doesn't just show you who to follow up with. It identifies exactly where your WhatsApp bot is losing people, the wrong cost framing, the missing re-engagement message, the unanswered NYSC objection, and gives you an optimized settings file ready to paste in. Fewer people drop off at the first conversation. More stay in the funnel. Here is the before and after for this business. Same ad spend, 223,000 naira. Before Revit, 1 enrollment, 89 kobo of revenue per naira spent. After Revit, over 4 million naira. In student revenue, 17 naira back for every 1 naira spent, and there is still 51 million naira in recoverable pipeline that has not been touched. Same business, same leads. The only difference, knowing which conversations to go back to and exactly what to say. 90% of business in West Africa happens on WhatsApp. 3.5 million companies are running Facebook ads directly into WhatsApp conversations right now. None of them know which leads went quiet, why they went quiet, or what to say to bring them back. Revit is the first platform to solve this. This is the intelligence layer West Africa has been missing, and this is just the beginning.